In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to Freshbooks, your go-to online invoicing and accounting software for small businesses. Whether you're just getting started with Freshbooks or have been using it for some time, bringing an accountant on board is a great way to keep your finances organized and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's break down the process step by step so you can easily invite your accountant and manage your business more efficiently. First, you'll need to log into your Freshbooks account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu of your Freshbooks dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled My Team. Click on that to proceed to the next step. The My Team page displays a list of your current team members, giving you a clear view of who already has access to your account. Now, at the top right corner of this My Team page, there's a prominently displayed green Invite button. This is your gateway to adding new members to your team, so go ahead and click it. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Accountant. The system is now ready for you to provide more details about who you want to invite. Moving on to the next step, you'll see a field where you can enter your accountant's email address. Take a moment to enter the correct email. Double check if necessary, since this is the key to inviting your accountant to join you on Freshbooks. After entering the email, look for a button that says either Continue or Send Invite. Click it, and just like that, the invitation is on its way. Finally, your accountant will receive an email invitation directly from Freshbooks. It's important to let them know to keep an eye out for this email, as it sometimes might end up in the spam or promotions folder. Once they find the invitation, they'll need to open it and hit the Accept button to gain access to your Freshbooks account. This grants them the permissions they need to help manage your finances seamlessly. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully added an accountant to your Freshbooks account, ensuring a more organized and efficient way to handle your business finances. Remember, giving an accountant access can greatly aid in maintaining accurate financial records and help you focus on other critical aspects of your business. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.